If you need to update from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but you're not exactly sure how to do it, or even if your computer isn't compatible with Windows 11, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple, fast, and safe method to upgrade without losing any files, even if your computer isn't officially compatible with Windows 11. So let's get into the tutorial. Before we begin, a quick tip. If you're not sure whether your computer is compatible with Windows 11, you can check that using the PC Health Check app. The download link will be in the video description. Just click it and the download will start automatically. After downloading, open the installer by double-clicking on it. Accept the terms and start the installation. When it finishes, leave both options checked and click Finish to open the app. Now just click Check Now. It will show whether your computer is compatible with Windows 11 or not. If you want a more detailed analysis, click See All Results. There you'll see if the issue is TPM 2.0, processor, or anything else. And if your computer isn't compatible, don't worry, because the method I'm going to show in this video allows you to upgrade anyway, without losing anything. Now that we've explained everything, let's start with the first step. Download the official and updated Windows 11 ISO. To do this, open Google and search for Download Windows 11. Click the first link. This is the official Microsoft website. I'll leave the links to every website we use in the description, so you can access them easily. Here on Microsoft's website, scroll down until you find the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Click here and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, then click Confirm. Next, choose your language. I'll select English, United States, and click Confirm again. Now click 64-bit to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO. After the download is complete, right-click the ISO file and select Extract Files. Then click OK. I'm using WinRAR for this step. If you don't have WinRAR, just search on Google for Download WinRAR. Open the first website and click to download the 64-bit version. Once downloaded, open the installer and complete the installation. After extracting the ISO files, go to your desktop, right-click, choose New, and then Text Document. Open Notepad and type the following command: setup.exe /product server. I'll leave this command in the description so you can copy it easily. Now click File, then Save As. Go to the location where you extracted the Windows 11 ISO files and open that folder. Next, in the file name field, type update.bat, exactly like this. Then click Save and close Notepad. Now, go to the location where you extracted the ISO files and open the folder. Before we continue, here's something important. The file we just created is a small startup file that runs the Windows 11 installer using that command. But it must be saved in the same folder where you extracted the ISO files. If it's saved somewhere else, Windows won't find the path and you'll get an error saying the file wasn't found. Your update.bat file should be inside this folder, just like in my example. If it's not here, you saved it in the wrong place. Just redo the process. Now, double-click the update.bat file we just created. Click Yes to confirm. And that's it. The Windows 11 installer will open automatically. From here, you don't need to worry. The setup will not block the process, even if your PC doesn't meet the Windows 11 requirements. A quick tip: if it doesn't work the first time, just try again. Sometimes it may fail on the first attempt. Now click Next. Accept the terms. Choose what you want to keep. Keep personal files, apps, and settings. Keep personal files only, nothing, for a clean installation. I'll choose to keep everything since I want to keep all my files and apps from Windows 10. Click Next and wait for the update process to begin. Now click Install. The whole process may take several minutes or even hours, and your PC may restart several times, just as the installer says. Once your PC restarts, you'll enter the installation phase. When everything finishes, wait a little for Windows 11 to load completely. And there you go. You're now running Windows 11. To confirm the version, open Settings, go to System, scroll down, and click About. At the bottom, you'll see your Windows version, in this case, 25H2. Now let's check for updates. Open Windows Update, click Check for Updates, and keep your system updated. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.